Hey everybody, welcome back to another DIY. I hope you've been enjoying my DIYs. You know, I'm getting back into the crafting business, and what we're doing here is I'm getting ready to create a envelope journal. You can create it out of envelopes, regular size envelopes. You can get them at the dollar store, which you know it's not a dollar anymore, but you can get them at the dollar store, any office supply store that sell envelopes. And you might just have some laying around the house because you know how crafters are. We have plenty of crafting supplies. So they don't have to be this size, but you can make it the same, but you'll create it the same way that I'm creating it here, no matter what size envelopes that you're using. So just to just show you how I'm doing it, I fold them over, I flip them over, I insert them, and I fold them back, and I repeat that process. I have 10 envelopes here that I'm using. You can use less. I think 10 would probably just a little bit too much. These would be great for gifts as well to give away. You can actually, they have little pockets in them, so you'll be able to add ephemera in there, any type of journaling supplies. I don't think, not pens or anything like that, but you know, there's always a creative way to add a pen on the front of it after you decorate it and everything. Or you can just use it for yourself to store any of your tags that you make. And, you know, if you are a scrapbooker, different scrapbooking papers as well, as long as they're small. So just, you know, relax and just, you know, craft with me and just move right along. We're going to move right along with this, okay? All right. And like I said, I hope that you are enjoying my crafting videos. And welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to my channel if you're new. And please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and let me know what you want to see. But right now, I'm getting right back into the swing of things, so I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you. I believe that the next craft that we're going to do, perhaps, maybe a e-zine. I don't know if you all heard about e-zines. Like they have the mini magazines, and it's more like a personal journal, but you could actually sell them or give them away or swap them. So I'm looking into something like that. That might be the next video. So, you know, you just got to stay tuned and see. So here I was actually going to glue this, but I couldn't find my glue. The glue stick, that one that I had was empty. So I just want you to know I'm missing a piece here where I actually glued that flat back. So just to let you know. So now I'm getting ready to actually create the cover, and I'm using a piece of scrapbook paper. You can also add washi tape on here. You can just create this any way that you want to. So sit back, relax, craft with me, and let's keep going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you are not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Like I said, I'm back, y'all. I'm moving slow. I'm taking my time and I'm getting these videos up, and we're starting out with crafting videos. I'm excited about it. It's so relaxing, and anytime you just participate in a craft like this, it's just relaxing. So again, thank you for joining me. And also don't forget, you can also use these as journals to write in, or you can give them away as gifts. Don't forget to put something positive on the cover if you're going to give it away as a gift to encourage someone, because we definitely need it nowadays. Okay, so until next time, happy crafting.